Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Sophie Vaults, a feature offered by Sophie that allows users to set aside money for specific savings goals. To get started, you need to have a Sophie account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for free. First, log into your Sophie account and navigate to the Sophie Vaults section. Here, you can create a new vault by clicking on the Create Vault button. You will be prompted to choose a goal for your vault, such as saving for a down payment on a house, a vacation, or a big purchase. Once you have selected your goal, you can set a target amount and a target date for reaching that amount. This will help you stay on track and motivated to reach your savings goal. You can also customize the name of your vault to make it more personalized and meaningful to you. After setting up your vault, you can start adding money to it. You can do this by transferring funds from your Sophie checking or savings account, or by setting up automatic transfers from an external account. You can also set up recurring transfers to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. One of the key benefits of Sophie Vaults is that you can earn a high yield on your savings, which can help your money grow over time. Additionally, Sophie Vaults are FDIC insured, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000, providing an added layer of security and protection for your savings. To make the most out of Sophie Vaults, it is essential to set clear and achievable savings goals, and to make regular contributions to your vault. You should also regularly review and adjust your vaults to ensure you are on track to meet your savings goals. In conclusion, Sophie Vaults are a powerful tool for saving money and reaching your financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most out of this feature and start building a stronger financial future.